now what I want to do is I will copy the view. Okay, we have view 3, view 4. Let's create a new file called as view4.js, and I will also create a new file view4.css. I'll take the view 3 and paste it in the view 4, and I'll take the view 3.css, paste it in the view 4.css, and in the view 4 I will rename it to view4.css, and here I'll change it to view 4, and I'll change it to view 2. So to know whether I'm view 4 or view 3, I will just put something here so that I know that I'm in the view 4, and I'll delete it. Now I will go to the view Matrix layout. Not here. I have to go to and let's go first here. Then multi.js. I will make this either view 3. I'll make it as view 1 and view 2. I'll make one more, so that is view 4. I'll create view 4 here, and I have to assign view 4. So view 4 is automatically taking this one. Why we have two view list view? Why we have two? I should not have few. So we have view 4, and view 4 will come from what I have to go to the view and make it view 4 available. I'll go home component. Here I'll add one view 4. I'll make the view 4 as a default. So this is view 3. I'll make view 4. We create view 4. So view 4 will be the default. Okay, now let's see. View 4, showing view 4. The only thing now I'll do, when I click it, it goes to detail page, and I don't want it to go to detail page. I want it to play it here. Now what if let's try to fix that one. In the detail page I have the YouTube kind of thing. This is the one I have. Okay, so we will use this kind of functionality in the view 4, but let's try to fix now. Let's try to fix the div tag, which will. So here are the items which we have. Each item is here. I can show the video title. How about and I show the video title here. This is a link. And how about I create another div tag here. Give some class name equal to show maybe YouTube video. So let's say I create this one, or maybe I create another component and I call that component. That will be much better. So I will create another component. Maybe I can say show YouTube. And then I will do console.log, show YouTube, this dot top, and here I will say show YouTube, the class name of show YouTube. So here, this class name, I will call it here. Instead of calling div tag, I will call that component. So saying YouTube, show YouTube, show YouTube. And now what I will do, I will try to make some CSS for that one. I'll say dot show YouTube, and I will make some CSS. Maybe I'll say width equal to 300 pixel, height equal to 300 pixel, border equal to 5 pixel, solid black. Okay, so I'm not able to get that one. Okay, let's try to figure out where exactly is the show YouTube is here. Okay, small s and U capital. Maybe it's I'm getting this one. So what if I do this? What if I have the main one called this class here. If I go here and I will, okay, let's check this. What is the class for this one? Okay, we have this one. We have position relative already defined for row inner. Okay, row inner already have the position of relative. What if I make this as a position absolute b index? Let's make 100 for now. Okay, now let's take it. So I have position absolute. Okay, look what happened. What if I make this only as a 1? Right now, if I'm making multiple, it will creating a little problem. Let's make it 1 here. Maybe not here. Maybe inside the view 4, I will put it here. So we have container. Okay, let's make this. Okay, so we have this one. Let's try to do some CSS part here. Right now, I will remove the height and width. Position is absolute, and v index 100. Background color equal to hash CCCC. Let's do that one, and let's make it top 0. No, 0 will not work. Let's make left 0, or we can say, okay, let's make to make absolute position. Okay, 1 second. Let me see the CSS which I can use it. Okay, so let's take the width and height like this. Position, I will make absolute. Let's make left 50%, right 50%. Okay. And I will make it margin left to 150 pixel. Okay, margin left should not be, should be minus 150 pixel actually. Okay, so then top I will make 50%, and I'll make margin top equal to margin top equal to minus 150 pixel. And if I make this as important, okay, let's copy this code. So maybe I'll display this somewhere. I want to display this somewhere. Okay, how about I am just thinking what is the best way to use this one. If I put, okay, let's first copy this one and then we will think on this one. Okay, right now I will mark something important. I'll make this as important. Let's, this one is fine. Okay, let this one be the, I'll comment it for now. Okay, now I will put this one, show YouTube in the each, for each category. Let's make it for each category. So I have each category going on here, and here is I have, let's put it here. Okay, and I will create this as a class name equal to category container. So category container will be, I will make category container as position relative, and this one is fine. Let's see now. Okay, so we have this one, we have this one, we have this one. So for each category I can play in this one maybe, and in this show YouTube I will pass the category detail, that will be this value. Maybe I can say P equal to P, value equal to value, passing. Okay, so we are getting value as a disco dance with the videos, with the ID of the that category. Okay, now I'll remove this view 4. Okay, now let's make this this is our category, and we have this one. So let's make this one. Okay, height is not coming. Height is not displaying because of some reason. Okay. Okay, spelling mistake. There is a spelling mistake. Sorry. It's H-E-I-G-H-T. Let's try this one. I got the height also. Let's make width of 100%. Let's see. The height of 300 pixel. Okay, now let's try to run the video here. So I'll copy this video part. For now, I will hard code it, and then we will see how to make it non-hard code. Okay, pass this one, and I will pass. Yeah, right now I'll pass hard-coded value of this ID, and this ops will be nothing but this ops. Let's make it 1, autoplay equal to 1. And now I put this ID, I have to call the YouTube one. Let's call this YouTube. And now we'll see. Okay, so this height of 100% doesn't work. So let's make it 300 pixel. That's fine. Okay. How about let's try this one. Okay, so I am putting pretty much. Let's try to reduce height to 150 pixel. Remove the important. Okay, now it's about 151. Let's try now. Okay, so if I am clicking here, this part, it should open it here. If I am clicking this, it should open it here. And this part should open it here. So something like that. We have to make something like that. Got it? Okay, now we have 10 more minutes and we'll do that. Let's do in 10 minutes whatever we can do. So initially I will hide this one. When user will click this one, then only I will show this one. to the user. So that is the plan, that whenever initially I will hide this one, and when I click this one, then I should be able to show it here. So for that, when I click this one, I should be able to get the category, because in that category only I want to show that one. So what I will do right now, I'll keep this hard coded value. One second. Okay, so let's try to do this one. So we are passing this, we are having the show YouTube, and we are passing the category value here. Let's try to change the flag when user clicks the video. So this is the detail one. This is the detail one, where user clicks and we get the URL to this one. We get the URL which we have to call it. So now let's see what is coming in this wall. Wall. Let's see what is coming in the wall. So in the wall, I am able to get whole video details, and I am concerned with this input ID basically. And so first thing which I want is the wall. So what I will do, instead of calling this link, let's make a tag and hrefs equal to this on click equal to, I will create one function, maybe I can call it show video dot bind this. Okay, I will call this, create this function, and I will pass one parameter as this wall. Also, I want to pass the category details. So when I'm calling this items, I should also pass this category details. So I can say cat details equal to value. So I will get this category details also. So I will get this category details, which I will pass here as a second parameter. It's dot props dot category details, and this value is nothing but the video details, and I'm passing this in function. So let's create this function, and it will take three parameters. One will be the video details, which is nothing but goes from the wall. Then there will be category details, which is nothing but which will come from the previous component. And last parameter will be event. I will say e.prevent default. Then I'll do console.log of video details. I'll see what video details are coming. And I'll also see what category details are coming. Okay, so there is some problem here. Unexpected token at 81. So I started this curly bracket. I put that this dot show video dot bind. Okay, I did not close the a tag. Okay, now if I click this one, I'm able to get the video details. That is, this is the details, and I'm able to get the category details, which is the one which we pass. Let's click another one, and I got the video details, and I got the category details. That is 7C. If I click this one, okay, wait. Okay, if I click this one, it's refreshing, which should not happen. It should not refresh it. Okay, this one is going correctly. Somehow this one is not going correctly. Let's figure out later that one. So here got the name and we got the category details. Okay, so now somehow this second one is not working. Somehow there is a problem. Okay, it's coming correctly when we have the first one. Otherwise, yeah, it's coming correctly when we have the first one. Okay, so we are able to get the video details and the category details. Now what we will do, we will, since this YouTube is called from the component this one, and my click is called from component this one, so we have to put it in the reducer, in the Redux, to get it here, right? So what we will do, when I click this one, show video, I will put that in the reducer and I will get it here. Where I will get it? I will get it in this view 4, and once I get it in the view 4, I will pass it here in this one. I will pass here as a prop, and then I will manipulate this component to show that video. So we will do that on Wednesday. Is that okay?